Young Chuck. I'm in love with my paper, fuck these haters, I'm sitting on Gator. I know it frustrates a bunch of haters, but they ain't cash calculators. See, they bullshit on their grind. See, I fucking lay down, blowing on Killer Pine. I be counting hella cash, free lives, I'm about to dash. That motherfucker won't trip, I reload, and then I flash. I'm getting hella dough, Cincinnati up on my cap. That don't mean I'm super, I'm one deep, so don't react. For your ass get bitch flat, and that's just how it's happening. I ain't capping, I'm just motherfucking freestyle rapping. No motherfucking be lacking on these motherfucking skills. Texas up on the rise, baby, gotta stay trill. I'm all about dollar bills and that cash fucking money. Texas in this bitch, you could hate or fucking love me. Big swingers and rovers on lax. My soldiers hold gas, leave your head fucking splat. Give me ride. We ball 24/7, all that we know. When my truck run like Pop and Glow, yeah, I already know. Yo. Look, you can catch me in a G6 with my partner Anthony, or you can catch me hitting licks on the south side, you can't handle me. Motherfucking Chuck easy go hard just like a bandit. Don't even fucking ask it, man, I'm merely like a cannon, and it blasting, leaving haters off in its days. A disaster happen every time I get off in amazement. These haters can't fake it. See, I'ma say real. Texas on the fucking rise, I got fish on the reel. I can't let them go, they on the hook. Texas on this bitch, you know I'm spitting shit like a crook. It's in a book. Motherfuckers get their life took. Like some hoes. My pockets on rise like this shit was overdose. My bank on overdose. Say it OD. I couldn't be me if you didn't hate me. I'm calculating so much money, and I ain't waiting for the time to get lovely. See, they don't want to see me run. We ball 24/7, all that we know. Young T, white boy, wasted.
I was talk shit, because I always talk shit, but... Right, it's like there was a line.